video we are going to solve some of the questions of exercise 1A, our lesson 1. First question is complete the following statements by selecting the correct option. And what is the first sub question? The formula of a compound represents an atom, a particle, a molecule, or a combination. For doing that, first let us see with an example. We know that H2O is a compound called water, and it is formed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. And do you remember what we call this compound? This compound is a molecule of water. We call it the molecule of water. So the formula of a compound always represents a molecule. Remember that. Okay. Formula of a compound always represents a molecule. Second question. The correct formula of aluminium oxide is. For that, we should go back to our previous classes. First, what we will do, write the valencies of aluminium and oxygen. We know that valency of aluminium is 3 and that of oxygen is 2. Interchange them, isn't it? We normally interchange the valencies, and what happens? Valency of oxygen comes down and we will get Al2O3. So what is the correct formula of aluminium oxide? The correct formula of aluminium oxide is Al2O3. Hope you remember this. Third one, the valency of nitrogen in nitrogen dioxide NO2 is. For that, to solve this type of question, I have made a short. Hope some of you have watched it. If not, let me tell you how we can do it. We know that valency of oxygen is 2, isn't it? For that, first what we will do is write N and O. This 2 is in subscript of oxygen. We bring that 2 to superscript and interchange it and bring it above nitrogen like this, N2. And since nothing is written above N, we will put it as 1. If nothing is written, make sure it is 1. After that, I said we know the valency of oxygen is 2. So what we are going to do is multiply on both sides with 2 like this. What will we get? N to the power of 4 and O to the power of 2. We know that valency of oxygen is 2. Then what is the valency of nitrogen? Is 4. So what is our correct answer? The valency of nitrogen dioxide is 4. Hope it is clear. Now the second question, match the following. Match the following. So first compound is boric acid. What is the first compound? Our first compound is boric acid, and from that option we have to choose the formula for boric acid, and the formula for boric acid is H3BO3. H3BO3. This is the formula for boric acid, H3BO3. Then comes phosphoric acid. What is phosphoric acid? It is H3PO4. H3PO4. Nitrous acid. All of us know the formula of nitric acid, which is HNO3, isn't it? Formula of nitric acid is HNO3, and the formula of nitrous acid is HNO2. HNO2. We know formula of sulfuric acid. It is H2SO4, isn't it? Formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4, and formula of sulfurous acid is H2SO3. H2SO3. Sulfurous acid. Hydrochloric acid, we already know it is HCl. Silica or sand, it is silicon dioxide, SiO2. Silicon dioxide. Caustic soda, it is a common name of sodium hydroxide, Sodium hydroxide is the strongest base. Its formula is NaOH. Sodium hydroxide. Then comes caustic potash. Its real chemical name is potassium hydroxide. It is written as KOH. Potassium hydroxide. Washing soda, it is sodium carbonate, and it is written as Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Next comes baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Only one difference, Na instead of 2, one atom of hydrogen comes, and carbonate ion NaHCO3. This is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, which is normally put in some dishes. Limestone, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Water, all of us know, H2O. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Ammonia, NH3. Ammonia is NH3, ammonia. Next one is phosphine. Phosphine is PH3. Phosphorus, made of phosphorus and hydrogen, PH3. Methane, CH4. So these are the correct answers for the given compounds and their formulas. Remember them. Okay, let's move on to the third question. Third question is, select the basic and acidic radicals in the following compounds. We have to write what are the acidic and basic radicals of the formulas that is given. Our first question is magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, and in that the basic radical is magnesium, Mg. Radical, we have to show the numbers above it, isn't it? So magnesium, Mg2 plus, and sulfate radical, SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. Ammonium sulfate, NH4 plus, and once again SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. Next one is aluminium sulfate. Aluminium is the basic radical and sulfate is acidic radical. Al, we know that valency of aluminium is 3 plus, and sulfate once again SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. Zinc carbonate, we know the valency of zinc is 2. Since it is basic radical, it will lose 2 electrons, so it will have 2 plus charge. And carbonate ion, which is CO3 2 minus, it gains 2 electrons and forms CO3 2 minus. Last one is magnesium hydroxide. Once again, valency of magnesium is 2. It loses 2 electrons, so it has 2 plus charge, and hydroxide is OH minus. This is the acidic radical. So hope it is clear how we can find out the basic and acidic radical. Next, give the formula and valency of. We have to write the formula and valency of the given things. One is aluminate. Aluminate is AlO3 minus. It is a compound, and its formula is AlO3 minus. So what is the valency? Valency is 3, isn't it? So we'll write like this. We'll write like this: AlO3 minus, and valency is 3. Chromate, CrO2 minus. So valency, you don't have to show the sign. If you put, it's okay, you'll just write the number. Aluminium, Al3 plus, Al 3 plus valency is 3. Cupric Cu2 plus and valency is 2. Okay, this is how we write the formula and valency of aluminate, chromate, aluminum and cupric. And last question of this video, what do the following symbols stand for? First, we have studied that H means one atom of hydrogen. If only one H is written, it shows one atom of hydrogen. One atom of hydrogen. And what does H2 means? H2 means one molecule of hydrogen. Hydrogen is a diatomic molecule and it is stable when it is in H2 form. One molecule of hydrogen. Then what is 2H? If H is one atom, then what is 2H? It means two atoms of hydrogen. Two atoms of hydrogen. So if the question is given like this, 2H2, what will you write? 2H2, what does it mean? It means two molecules of hydrogen. It means two molecules of hydrogen. It is not given there, but you also know it. Two molecules of hydrogen. So in this video we have discussed 5 questions and its answers. The rest we will do in the next video. Hope you have understood this. If you like my class, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all of you.